this just because I need to boost my energy and just, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have just posted one video since Sunday and today is Saturday, so I'm a little bit relaxed now. I was a little bit stressed last week. Not stressed, like nothing has really changed. I just felt stressed. Like just a lot of things were happening and I needed to, you know, take a little break to, you know, just to get back, you know, myself together. So I decided that I was going to just post one video, and today I decided to, you know, start again with my regular video. But today I just wanted to do a skincare routine. My skin is currently going through it. It is going through it. Not sure what is happening, but I know what is happening. It's just like, you know, us women, sometimes things happen internally and then it starts to show on the skin. But you know, yeah, I don't like to talk about that time of the month or whatever on my channel. Like, I don't know, I'm just weird. Like, talking about stuff like that is kind of weird for me. Like, yeah, even at this age or stage in my life, I'm still not comfortable having certain conversation about, you know, because I feel weird. Because I don't really have conversations about it. But anyway, today we're going to do a little skincare routine. I took a shower. It's very late now, almost 6 o'clock or 5 something now. So this is more like my evening routine. But I just really want to share with you how I use the salicylic acid from The Ordinary. Even though right now, after filming or after cleansing my skin and doing everything, because this is my evening routine, I want to quickly go to the thrift store just to, you know, just to look around before 7 o'clock, because it closes at 7 o'clock. So what time is it now? It is 18 minutes past 5. So I have like maybe 45 minutes to do the little skincare routine, record it and share with you how I use the salicylic acid from The Ordinary. Alright, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. So I have this is my Acid Duo Mild Gentle Cleanser, and I'm going to use this to cleanse my skin right now. I'm just gonna apply 2 pumps. It's a 1% salicylic acid cleanser, and I really like it because it cleanses my skin just the way or similar to how my salicylic acid from CeraVe, the same way it cleanses. It's the same way this one cleanses. Only difference is this one, the salicylic acid from CeraVe, is a little bit more thicker, and it's also very what should I say? It's also very it's not as foamy as this one. I'm just cleansing my skin. I'm gonna do the 1 minute rule thingy and come back to you. Yeah, because I don't want this video to be long. Keep it like a minute or so. I'm gonna be back. Alright guys, so this is the face right now. I'm just gonna drink. This is beets and strawberries and water. That's pretty much it. I have been drinking a lot of this just because I need to boost my energy and just, you know, yeah. And it's like 100% natural, so it's very good. So I like to have beets in the morning. I like to have this in the morning. Sometimes I have it in the evenings. Like not in the night, close to the evenings. And sometimes I have green juice. What else? Yeah, or a shake. But of lately, because you know, the sun is out and all of that, I need the little vitamin D, vitamin C and so forth in my body just to help it to fight against the free radicals, because you know that it's spring going into summer. Sometimes the time is cool, sometimes it's hot, and a lot of sickness, because a lot of people around me are getting like really sick, flu and so forth, so, or allergies or whatever. I don't want to get sick, so I have to like drink a lot of vitamin C, vitamin D rich ingredients or stuff. So I like beets because it has natural antioxidants that are actually good for you. It's very red. Very nutritious, very nice. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to tone. So I'm going to use my rag to dry my face. And I haven't been like loving these rags. I don't know why. Maybe just this cycle, a lot of lint. I notice a lot of lint whenever I use my rags. Just of late, then I think mainly it's because of I changed my I changed my cleanser, or not cleanser. Me talk about cleanser. I changed my detergent. That is. So I don't know if it's because of the fact that I changed my detergent why my rags have so much lint. Alright. But yeah. So the next thing we're going to do now, going with some cotton pads. That's what I usually do. Oh my gosh. Going into some cotton pads, and we're going to continue to use this. Remember this Times Revolution? I've been using this a lot these days. I just take it, apply it to my face. Yes, and this is the expensive toner from Misha Times Revolution. And I think I'll definitely have this in my empties for me, definitely, based on how much I'm using it. So as I said before, I've been having a little problem, like, yeah, I have been breaking out here and there, and I think it's mainly because just the weather change, and also I think I got a sunburn. There was a day that I wore makeup and I didn't wear an SPF because I forgot to apply my SPF, and I was out in the sun all day riding, and I think I got sunburn because my skin was very dark, like, yeah, darker than how it's supposed to be. So that was my little fault. So that's the reason why I always encourage you guys to make sure that you wear your SPF, cause if you don't wear your SPF, then all of your work that you've been doing for so long, it's not gonna make any sense. I like to take the cotton pad around my neck with the product, cause I've also been neglecting my neck, I've noticed. So I'm trying to make sure to not forget it. And the reason why one of my eyes is closed is because I think I got some product in my eyes. So I'm just gonna take this now. I don't want my hair to get in the way. So this is how I'm going to show you how I use the Salicylic Anhydrous solution from The Ordinary. See, with this solution, even though you hear that it's salicylic acid, if you have, what do you say now? If you have dry skin and you apply this product, you have to just make sure that before you apply the anhydrous solution, that you really hydrate your skin, whether in the form of a toner, whether in the form of a what do you call it again, an essence or something, but just make sure that your skin is really hydrated before, like prep your skin before you apply the Salicylic Anhydrous solution, because trust me, you might experience irritations. And with the solution from The Ordinary, the salicylic acid solution, when I was using it, I've never had any form of irritation. But with this one now, the anhydrous solution, oh my gosh, I've gotten a lot of irritations. And I know it's not, oh, this is a caffeine solution. I know it is not, what do you say now? I know these are not acne, they're really irritations, because with irritations, with acne will last a little bit longer. For example, like 3 days, and then I have to like literally treat it, and I can feel an acne. But with an irritation now, they just come up out of nowhere, and then in the space of a day or so, it just goes. And then sometimes whenever I use the salicylic acid anhydrous solution, if I use it under my eye contours, I get irritations. Yeah. So I remember I used it and I didn't apply any moisturizer or anything. I just applied it with my essence and whatever. And then next morning I woke up with one pimple here, one pimple here. And I'm like, how do I've never gotten pimple under my eyes. And I realized that the night when I applied it, I applied a little bit too much. So just make sure that you apply all your hydrating ingredients before. Essence, toners, eye serum, anything that is liquidy or water based, apply them first, just to set your face so your face is not going to be like irritated. So I just applied all of my products first. And the salicylic acid, you want to make sure you use it evening times or night times. So this is all I'm going to apply. I applied this, cleanse my skin with this, applied the essence from Times Revolution, applied my eye serum caffeine solution from The Ordinary, and then we're going to go in with the salicylic acid from The Ordinary. This is the anhydrous solution. So as I said before, what you don't want to do is to apply it under your eyes. Do not apply it under your eyes. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply it right on the cheeks, because the cheek is where I usually get oily. Alright, so see? Cheeks. And then I'm going to take it on my hand, my fingers, and I'm going to apply it right here, because I always get a little irritation, or I always get breakouts right here. Not because it's dry, sometimes it is too, what do you say now? Sometimes it is too, it's too oily, sometimes it's too dry. It depends. And then I can break out. And I like to take it right here too. Yeah. So I keep it away from my eyes because I don't want it to irritate my eyes. One of the things that you don't want to do too is to apply it in your eyes or close to your eyes, because trust me, it is going to burn. Apply some of the moisturizer under my neck. And that's basically how you should apply the salicylic acid anhydrous solution. Very easy to do. And if you experience irritations or anything of that sort, one, it could be that you use too much of the product, or two, it could be that the product is your skin is purging, or three, it could just mean, what could it mean? It could mean that the product is working, one. It could mean that you use too much of product, so you got an irritation, or it could mean your skin is purging because of salicylic acid, and that's what salicylic acid actually does. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But this is how I use the salicylic acid anhydrous solution. Just gonna go on my bike right now and go to the thrift store to see what's up, because it's right near to my house, maybe like 5 minutes ride, 5-6 minutes. So this is it for your girl. This is the skin. As I said before, my skin is going through a lot, but you know, my skin will always overcome, because I have a lot of vitamin C's, have my salicylic acid, I cleanse my skin, I do everything that I need to do. So whatever is happening to it outside of me doing my skincare routine, it's not my fault. And I eat properly. Yes, because as I don't know if you know, but I'm on a fasting. I fast from meat and everything. Fish. Well, I don't really eat meat. I only eat fish, but I'm fasting from meat and everything. And yeah, lots of vegetables, fruits, and I eat a lot of oatmeal. Yeah, because I love oatmeal. And yeah, so just trying to make sure, and I drink water and so forth. I need to drink more water when I'm at school, because that's a time when I lose a lot of energy. So I need to bring a bottle. But whenever I'm at home, before I go to school, I always pack myself with water, because I try to check my water intake. So I need to start drinking more water when I go to school, because that's where all my water is depleted because of the energy and that I have to be pushing constantly to, you know, keep up with these young souls. But this is it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from a little salicylic acid anhydrous solution. But I have really been enjoying it so far. Only thing is, don't use too much, can burn in your eyes. Don't use too much under the eyes, because it can cause an irritation. And make sure to apply it at the last step of your skincare routine. Last step. You should apply it actually after your moisturizer, depending on how your skin is. If your skin is easy to be irritated, I would recommend using the salicylic anhydrous solution at the last step, not in the middle, the last step. Okay, so after your moisturizer, at the last step, you just apply it over your moisturizer. Okay, for me, it's okay if I apply it before my moisturizer. So yeah, but just be careful of not, careful about applying it close to your eyes, because it's going to burn you literally irritate your eyes, burn it to the point that if you're in your bed, you can't sleep because salicylic acid is there. You know what I'm saying? But this is it for me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.